what the big dogs are doing to try to take your money. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Guys, today we're going to be talking about an incident that happened yesterday. For those of you that are invested in Churchill Capital, ticker symbol CCIV, you noticed that yesterday we had a really big fall in the morning. And I just want to go over some information because I think it's very important that you guys know this, and it's very important that you guys keep this in mind moving forward, just because I want you guys to protect your money and not be scared, because trust me guys, this is a pretty shady business, and I think in general all businesses have their shade to them, but it's better to know what you have and not get rid of your position. However, what they did yesterday in the morning time, which was on Wednesday morning, there was an announcement that the SPAC, CCIV and Churchill Capital, that their agreement was not imminent, okay? And that was passed on through Twitter. And I want to show you the chart here, what happened shortly after that, okay? Yesterday was February 3rd. In the morning time, around 6:50 a.m., the price of the stock was at $33.92. When the announcement came, it was right around this time, around 7:40 a.m. And then we had a huge fall. We went from $32.85 all the way down to about $37.50. That was the low of the day. $27.50, I'm sorry. That was the low of the day. And since then, the stock was, shaky. What happened yesterday was that when the announcement was made, when the announcement was made and the stock fell, that caused a lot of trigger sales. So for those of you that had a stop limit, such as I did, I had a trailing stop on the stock. It automatically triggered that stock to sell, causing the price to go down. Okay? And what caught my eye is that shortly after that, I seen this message from Trade with Alerts. Large print, CCIV, size 820,596 shares of stock were purchased at a price of $28.07. Time was around the same time. And look at the amount that was purchased, $23 million worth of stock. On this channel, guys, I like to connect the dots, and I like to see and learn, because these type of incidents will happen, and they will happen again at some point with a different stock. And usually it happens with stocks that are on high demand, because big institutions, big dogs want to get their hands on these shares of stock for as cheap as possible, because they know where the price is going to. They know where it's going, guys. And when you guys buy a share of stock or whatever you do in the stock market, make sure you guys are convinced of what you have. Make sure you guys are sure of what you have. And only purchase stock that you're 100% sure of. However, it is important to maintain a trailing stop loss. This gave us an opportunity to rebuy again, made money on one transaction, rebought again. And we ended up buying about 1,200 shares after this whole incident was cleared through. But I want to read something off to you. And this article came out yesterday as well. It says, the secret trading strategy from the 1930s that hedge funders don't want you to know about. I'm going to read a little piece of this. I'm also going to attach this link to this video, so it'll be down. The preparation of an important move in the market takes a considerable time. A large operator or investor acting singly cannot often in a single day session buy 25,000 to 100,000 shares of stock without putting the price up too much. Instead, he takes days, weeks, or months in which to accumulate his line in one of the many stocks. Instead, here's how he sets it up. First, he'll shake out the little guys by forcing the stock lower in order to get a better price. Here we go. He prefers to do this while the market is weak, dull, inactive, and depressed, to the extent that they are able and the other interests with whom he works bring about very conditions which are most favorable for accommodation of stocks at low prices. When he wishes to accumulate a line, he raises the market for that stock, makes it look very weak, and then gives it appearance of heavy liquidation by selling orders through a great number of brokers. That's what was done yesterday. Guys, for those of you that don't know, now you know. You're in a cage with big dogs here. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. Don't show your weakness. Don't be scared of your order selling and getting back into it. They do this on purpose, guys, so you guys can get scared and sell your stock. So please, before you guys even purchase a stock, make sure you're 100% convinced that you're willing to stick with this stock no matter what, through thick and thin. With that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Please make sure if you found any of this of value, which I hope you did, please make sure you like and subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell. Also, updated information, new information on the daily is on Twitter at InvestingOG. With that, guys, hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you on the next one.